Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to use multiple application on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, I am open my YouTube page. You can see here at the same time I can open any application from here, like this side row. You can see here, just swipe, you can simply click here to add more applications. Okay, and you can see here I added this kind of application and simply drag and drop application to here. Now it is like pop-up window. Okay, and also you can tap here and click this one, and it will be like this, but also you can control like this also. So it is very useful. So in this way you can easily use multiple application on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.